Hello, my name is Ivory Sherhorn, and I will be presenting my database for the November 20th project. Um, I created my own database, or I'm sorry, I downloaded a database that I have ability to manipulate from Oracle. As you can see from this web page, you can go to oracle.com/database/technologies/xe-downloads.html. I use Windows, so I download this Oracle Database 21C Express Edition for Windows 64. After doing so, you just simply follow the prompts for downloading. As a little hint, if you want to download, this is the file that will be downloaded. You have to click this setup link. And then the downloading process will begin, and you go through the prompts, create the password for your database, and so on. And then you must connect to the database. So to connect to it, you bring up your command prompt. And first you have to connect as the system database administrator using SQL+. And once you do that, you can simply select the name of the database from this $PDBS. This will give you the name of the database, and this one is XEPDB1. And then you can connect to the database using this connect command system / password at your host name. /1521. That's where the local host is, and the database name as the system database administrator, and I'm connected. So to go to Oracle, I now just have to click on the connection name that I created, and I decided to use just local database. Let's see, here we go. And since I am the database administrator, it just uses system as the username, so SYS, and then I put in my password. And it may take a moment, but it's going to log me in to the database. Sorry, my computer's a little slow. Here we are. So I'm in the local database now, as you can see. I have access to all the tables. I'm in the local database file right here, but here's my file that I've been using. So let's get rid of this. Okay. So I created files, or I'm sorry, not files, tables, as if I was a small company working with local restaurants on some sort of projects. So I created, for example, a department table, an employee table, a customer table, and a projects table. Department table is obviously the departments for the employees. The customer table are the local businesses, local restaurants that my company would do projects for. And the projects are the actual projects that we would be working on. So I just inserted many values into these tables. So to see them. Oh, yes, choose existing. So for anyone, choose existing local database because I just restarted this. So just click continue. So it's loading the query results. So the first query result here is for this department. Select. So you see you have 101 to 105, accounting, advertising, human resources, customer service, and research. The second one's for this employees table. So between 2001 to 2007, I have this amount of employees, their first name, last name, date of birth, and department number that they are attached to. This is the one customer I have, so the one local restaurant that I'm working with as of this moment, called Benji's Pizza. And the last was the projects. So the actual project. Now, right now we haven't started the project yet at all. So first, let's insert a new customer. And I used to insert into customer table, customer ID, company name, location, the value is 702, just a random number or generated number. And then the company name, just a name, and location is Michigan, for example. So if we go back to the customers table, which would be query result 3, query result 2, and we press refresh to see now that this Charlie's Chongas is now in there. So the second one, this insert into project. So now we're going to be working with Charlie Chonga. So let's insert into the projects table. See, it's successful. No inserted. So nothing was there before. Now there is now. So project ID 201, just a generated number for customer 702, which we know from our query result, from our customers table, 702 is the Charlie's Chongas. The manager is employee 2006. That would be Maximilian. And it started arbitrarily on April 9th of 2022, and the deadline will end on September 9th, 2024. So a little over 2.5 years. Yeah, so this is fine. Now these are both successful. So I'm going to commit. And now it's commit complete. So now these two are permanently inserted until forcibly dropped otherwise. So we now have this project, and we now have this new company in the customers table. So let's do one where it doesn't work. Let's try and do a project with a new company. So let's say for a new customer, it would be 703, and the new one would be let's do Winnie's ice cream. Why not? Oops, sorry. And it'll be in Ohio. So we'll start this new project. Let's keep it at 201. And we'll change this to 703. The new manager will be 2001. It will start on the 12th of October 2022. Sorry, let's keep capital. And then we'll do to the 12th of November 2025. Why not? All right, so we see that we are attempting to use Winnie's ice cream, which has the customer value of 703. In this insert statement, the project ID, which is the primary key, has the same primary key as the just committed project previously. So this one had 201, and this new one I'm attempting to create also has 201, which means it should lead to an error because the project table, as I said, the project ID is the primary key, which means it cannot be duplicated. So let's attempt to do this. Yep. So one row was inserted, and that is the customers. Yep, Winnie's ice cream was inserted. But as we can see here, that this insert into projects had an error. There's a unique constraint. So like I said, that was violated. So like I said, that it needs a new value for this project ID. It cannot be duplicated from the previous value or any previous values for that matter. So I'll have to roll back. And it says rollback complete here. So now if we go back to the tables, or the customer table, Winnie's ice cream is gone. And if we go to the projects table, nothing is gone because nothing was ever added to it in the first place. So these are my examples of a multi-transactional commit and rollback process. If you have any questions or anything else you would like from me, please let me know. And thank you.